back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This is a part time job where you are simply sending emails, and it is paying up to $25 an hour. We're going to dive on in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. You may have to hit the little more button to get the information to pop out, where you can see everything and see the links. And of course, I just asked that if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Of course, share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Underdog Fantasy. Now, I always say please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Underdog Fantasies only has 32 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, but out of those 32 people who have reviewed them, they come in at a perfect 5.0 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are hiring a part-time customer support associate for the United States. Now, this customer support is going to be done through email, so this is going to be a non-phone based position. But Underdog was founded by a team of veterans, and they're born with the idea of bringing strategic innovation to sports gaming and entertainment. So this is going to be a sports gaming company, but they're looking for someone to basically provide basic customer support. You're going to approach user inquiries with cool, open-minded approach, making sure their concerns are being fully heard. You'll gather information from the users in order to effectively reach solutions by cross-collaborating with different departments internally. You'll create a lasting impression for users through every transparent, open, and honest communication. So you'll be helping these customers with account and payment reviews in order to ensure that they are using appropriately Underdog as it was intended to be used. Best thing about this, you're going to deliver this exceptional customer support via email, addressing inquiries related to account management and financial transactions. So you are helping web and mobile app users completely through email. But they are looking for somebody who has flexibility in weekday and weekend availability. They're looking for somebody who can work 25 hours a week, someone who can be optimistic, someone who can be a team player, a great communicator, and someone who can be receptive to, so someone who can look at new perspectives and different approaches. Of course, you got to be customer service. Of course, you need to have those great customer service skills and be a multitasker. Now, pay is kind of small all the way down here at the bottom. Pay is anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this type of job lead, give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.